You know, you get up in the morning, the hair's not looking nearly as good as you'd like it to, you're not sure what to do with it, but you don't necessarily want to start entirely from scratch. So I'm going to take this first section here. Now this is working on coarse hair with a lot of texture to it. Create texture with your hair using a small amount of a very strong gel, working them through with your fingers, changing the texture of your hair. Get a little knot going. I don't care if the texture's loose, I like the texture loose. Go in and down. Grabbing a section in front of the ear, going to the top and just behind. And as soon as I start to twist this and go up, I can twist this forward or back. It is up to you. Split that open to hold it, in and down. And I can decide if I'm going to curl it or keep it or get rid of it.